How to deploy N8N. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can deploy N8N. Deploying N8N means setting it up for a server or a platform so it can run continuously even when your personal device is off. There are many ways to deploy N8N, including using cloud services like AWS, DigitalOcean, Railway, and VPS providers like Hostinger. First, choose your deployment method. For beginners, Railway is one of the easiest. It only takes a few clicks. For more control, you can deploy it on a VPS using Ubuntu and SSH. In most cases, you'll need to install Node.js, set up your environment variables, and run N8N with a process manager like PM2 to keep it active. You'll also want to configure a reverse proxy like Nginx and secure your deployment with HTTPS, especially if you're making it accessible from the internet. Once all set, you can use a domain name, connect apps like Gmail or Airtable, and automate tasks around the clock. Deploying N8N is a must if you need reliability and continuous operation. It's perfect for freelancers, businesses, or developers who want to build powerful automation systems that don't stop running. And that's how you deploy N8N.